Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out another case by Ghostek, and they have actually sent this case over to me so I could go ahead and review it. So in front of us today, we have a Samsung Galaxy S21 case, and it is their Atomic Slim 4th generation case for the S21. So before we actually unbox this, I would like to check out the packaging that they actually have for this case. So here we do have some nice packaging. We get the red accents all over. The case is a red colored case. We have this magnetic area to actually open it up to check out the case, which is nice. It says Samsung Galaxy S21 up there. I don't know if you can actually see that right there. So it says Atomic Slim 4th generation on the side. We get a nice image of what the case looks like, and then drop test at 12 feet, which is nice to know. We also have some information on the back, which is put out really nice. So wireless charging compatible, which is good. Multi-layered, non-slip grip, raised camera lip, so that'll actually help protect the camera bump. Aluminum alloy frame for the case, which is really nice. I actually want to know how it feels in my hand when I'm actually holding the case. Slim, precise fit, limited lifetime warranty and whatnot. So we do get images as it's actually showing us all these stuff and talking about it, and that is really nice. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here, as I said, we have this little magnetic pull tab right here, and then we have our case. So boom, right there, it's in this little plastic thing. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. We do get this nice cool thing on the background, so it looks cool when it's actually in there. Has like this black background. We also get a sticker, and we get something else inside of there. So sticker and some other stuff. So let's go ahead and plop all this to the side and actually check out our case. So right now it does have this plastic sticker thing on top of it to actually have it protected. So let's go ahead and peel that off real quick. Boom. See how it looks once it's peeled off. Okay, we got this side peeled. And then do we have one on the inside? Yep, we actually have one on the inside as well. So let's go ahead and get that peeled off as well. I wish they had like a pull tab that you could actually pull so you could peel it off easier, but this isn't too hard, so boom. So now it actually looks clear. It actually looked really dirty with the stickers on there, but now we can see that it is a nice clear case. And yes, it is an aluminum alloy frame that they have on this corners. The areas that are all red is actually the aluminum frame that they're using, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and plop our phone in. I do have the grayish color of the S21, so I want to see what it looks like with the red accents. So it goes in really easily, snug fit. All the corners are raised, which is nice. And here we have our phone inside of the case. So this actually looks really nice. The red does pop a lot. It's a little shiny. It does have like this nice matte finish on top of it, and then we have the black accents of the plastic portion of the case. So we don't get too much branding, which is nice. So it just says Atomic right here where the camera lip is, and then we also can see that it says Ghostek down here. And other than that, we don't get any other type of branding, which is nice, as I said. So let's go ahead and talk about this case real quick. Actually, I would like to go ahead and see all of the cutouts first. So the cutouts are made really nice and well. You can actually plug in a third-party charger in there maybe as well, since it is a little larger back here. We do have our speaker grill cutout down here, and then we also have an area which is actually opened up for our speaker up top. And then on the back of the phone, we have our camera cutout, and as I said, on the back portion, it is raised, and it's actually raised significantly, so your camera will definitely be protected from any falls onto the rear of the phone, which is nice to know. So the back plate, we do have a clear plate right here. This portion is actually lower than the sides. The sides are a lot higher than this portion. The clear portion, it is raised up, so if you do drop it on the back, it doesn't hit the back, and it hits the sides, which will actually absorb the shock that comes from it, and it'll actually protect your phone. The S21, the normal one, is a plastic back, so I don't know if that matters a lot, but it'll still help with internals, I guess. So overall, we do have the grips right here. As you can see, it's on both edges, so when you are holding the phone, does feel really nice in the hand. It doesn't feel like it's going to just slide out of your hand, which is nice. And then we also have our microphone cutouts up top here. So all the cutouts are made perfectly, which is nice to know. So let's go ahead and actually check out the front portion of it. So it does cover the whole screen, but you're still able to access everything. We do have a raised lip all across the display right here. So as you can see, it's raised all across the display, and even though I have a screen protector on here, it's actually higher than that, which is nice to know. So without a screen protector, you should still be fine using this case and should have no issues basically. So overall, this feels and looks like a nice case. We do get our alert button cutouts perfectly made. As I said, it does use an aluminum frame, which is nice. It feels solid in the hand. And then our buttons, they are just a tad bit harder to push down, but it's not the worst, so you're still able to use it pretty easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet so you can actually hear these clicks. So I'm not applying too much force to it, just an extra bit than before, which isn't too much harder, so that is okay. So my thoughts on this case, it is a pretty nice case. I don't know if I really like the red accents. I don't know if I would rock it every day, but the red does look nice. However, I would go for something else, maybe like a darker color, since I do generally get my phones in the darkest color they can be, so either black or gray colors, and that's basically how I like it. So me personally, I don't really enjoy this red too much, but for anybody else, there are other color options as well, so you can go out and pick this up. Feels really nice in the hand overall, looks really nice, and it's just a pretty great case overall. So that's basically gonna wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, as it helps support the channel a lot. And if you enjoyed this video, I would like to see you guys back on my other videos, so that will be wrapping it up for this video. So see you in the next one.